So today we're building the inside frames for the windows for the whole house. We're doing them out of wood so that when it comes time to nail trim and use staples and stuff, it'll be easier to attach it, and it's obviously easier to screw the windows in and shim them and everything. They'll have to get framed with studs. It's actually the opening, but these will receive the windows. They'll receive our trim eventually, so we're basically building a rough opening frame, wood frame for the windows. We have to use 2x8s because they're 6-inch studs, and we have to actually trim off a piece of them to make them exactly 6 inches. So we run them through the table saw, we rip them down into size. We built a jig so that we can make them quickly. That way we don't have to line anything up. There's just some blocks put in place, throw the boards in there, nail them to hold them in place, and then I've actually been drilling and putting screws in them to help hold them together. So as we move them around, that way it doesn't work screws loose or nails loose. So that's what we'll be working on today. We've got 10 this size, and then we'll reset the jig for the rest of the windows. So let's get to it.